Welcome to my channel. In this video, I want to show the Airsoft shotgun pistol.
What is that?
If the trigger is malfunctioning, you can still fire the weapon by pushing the hammer. I didn't include a safety feature on this pistol because it needs to be quick to use in an emergency. The barrel can fit into many pistol magazine pouches. I fixed the issue from the previous version and added sights for aiming.
Bruh.
Nice.
Bruh.
Some players don't like to replace the lights with the shotgun on the pistol. It is possible to use both the lights and the shotgun at the same time by separating them.
What is that?
Finally, I want to clarify that this video uses AI voice, but not AI mass production of videos. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to press the subscribe button. We'll see you next time.